Students, in this recorded video of mine, we will discuss and learn how a business letter for some complaint is to be written. So initially, I will tell you the purpose for the same. Okay, sometimes the items that are supplied to us are not as per our demand, or sometimes mistakenly some inferior or defective things are supplied. So for the replacement of such things with the good ones, we generally write business letters for complaint. So here a question is there, business letter for complaint. Okay, so imagine that you are Mohit Parikh, manager at Aravali Senior Secondary School, Vaishali Nagar, Jaipur. You have recently purchased school furniture in bulk, but it is not up to the quality as and has some defects. Now write a letter to the manager of Messrs Sham Furniture Mart, Kirti Nagar, New Delhi, complaining about the same. So this is the same letter for raising a complaint about the quality of the furniture that you have recently got from the firm. Okay, so here you have started this letter with your own address, Aravali Senior Secondary School, Vaishali Nagar, Jaipur. Then after the space of a line, you have mentioned here the date 12th of May 2020. Then once again leave a line and mention the receiver's address, and it is the manager, Messrs Sham Furniture Mart, Kirti Nagar, New Delhi. Then once again you have to leave the same space of a line and mention the subject for your letter, complaint about the poor quality of furniture, this way. Then again leave a line and mention salutation, sir or ma'am, sir or madam. Okay, this is hereby to bring in your kind consideration about the inferior quality of the furniture supplied by your reputed showroom to our school. We had placed an order for school furniture in bulk that we received on 15th April 2020 with the invoice number DWR JPR /15/4. So here in the first paragraph of this letter, we have written that the furniture items that we have recently received are not up to the mark. Okay, they are defective ones with inferior quality. Now the second paragraph, I am sorry to say that most of the items are either badly damaged or not even up to the mark. Perhaps they have been damaged because of the poor packing and the transportation. The legs of the benches are creaking and the varnish of the tables is peeling off. Even the sofa sets that you promised of being very good in quality could not last more than 15 days. So here in the second paragraph, we have pointed out all the defects that we have noticed in the furniture, like creaking of chairs, peeling off the varnish from the tables, and even the lack of durability of the sofa set, and so on. Okay, so now the third paragraph, such a deal with a reputed showroom will not only break the customer's faith, break means shake the customer's faith, but also flog your name and fame into the ground. I am highly disappointed at such a poor deal. I feel like I am ripped off. I am writing this letter to you with the hope that you will soon replace the damaged furniture and keep your word. Thanking you in anticipation, yours sincerely, Mohit Parikh, manager. So here in the third paragraph, we have written that due to this deal with such a reputed firm is beyond our understanding and faith. Also, we have pointed out such acts of theirs will decrease the fame of their firm. Okay, and here we say we feel as if we were robbed, and now we demand for the replacement of the defective furniture. Okay, and here we have thanked the manager of the firm in advance in the hope that he will surely do as we expect him to do. Okay, and in the end we have written yours sincerely, Mohit Parikh, manager. So hope you all have understood. Thank you very much for watching the video.